Namaste. Today we have to start over the ninth class, chapter 1, which is measurement. First of all, what is measurement? We should find. And that is measurement in Nepali that may be written as nap. In Nepali, it is nap. That's we may be defined as the measurement is that types of phenomena, that phenomena which is obtained by the measuring of or comparing of known quantity with a unknown quantity, which is called measurement. That's all. Nothing after that. First of all, in measurement we should have to come about the length. What is length? Length, that is the distance between any 2 points in a space is called its length. For example, two balls means standing apart from each other, or two planets are also some distance from them. It means the distance, one is A point and another is B point. Yes, those the distance, here may be some distance, there must be some distance, that is called the length. Hence, it may be defined as the distance between 2 points or 2 bodies or 2 designations is called length. And the SI unit of length or distance, or it can be said that displacement, is meter, and denoted by a small n, that is called meter. After that, what is 1 meter? We should know each and every aspects of measurement. So we have to discuss firstly about what is 1 meter. Then it may be defined as the distance between any two parallel gold lines, marked lines on the platinum and iridium bar, that is an LY, iridium and platinum and iridium, that is LY, which is mixed by the LY forms by the combination of platinum and iridium metals, which is present in where it has been kept in France at the temperature 0 degree, and the pressure must be 760 mm of Hg. That is the standard pressure measurement. On the last, the distance between two parallel gold line marked on the platinum and iridium bar preserved at 0 degree centigrade, along with 760 millimeter in the International Bureau of Weight at the server near the Paris in France is called 1 meter. Next, the other measurement of The other measurement of length are as follows. The measurement is measurable, or the measurement is, even it is very low distance, very small distance, and some distance are very long distance. As it means those distance, smaller distance and longer distance must be measured by the following tables. 10 millimeters is called 1 centimeter. 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter. 10 meter is equal to 1 decameter. And 10 decameter is equal to 1 hectometer. And 10 hectometer is equal to 1 kilometer. In short, we should memorize it: milli, centi, decimeter, deca, hecto, kilo, and it is not, millimeter is not applicable nowadays, but up to kilo. Milli, centi, decimeter, deca, hecto, kilo must be memorized. Millimeter is not, but in a scale it is also given. We should memorize the following way: milli, centi, decimeter, deca, hecto, kilo, and millimeter. That is the measurement of length. After that, the long distance, the distance between two planets of the universe, that is measured in light year. It cannot be measured in kilometer because it has a long distance from one planet to other planet. So it is called light year. So what is light year? It may be defined as the distance between any two heavenly bodies can't be measured from kilometer or meter is called light year. Very long distance which cannot be measured with the help of kilometer, either kilometer, meter. So it may be measured by light year. After that, at last, we should also know length measuring device. What is the length measuring device? We should have to know. For measuring a small length, we used a scale or ruler and a steel tape that is used by mason. It used for mason, MA, carpenter and plumber. And after the flexible tape that is made by the cloth or plastic, very soft plastic, which is called flexible tape, which is made by the rubber or plastic, and that are used by the tailor masters. In this way, ruler, steel tape and flexible tape, that are the main measurement device of length are ruler, steel tape, flexible tape. That are the main. Then the actual quantity contained. Now we have to come about the mass. We have left we have finished the measurement of length. Now we overcome about the measurement of mass. Then first of all we have to know about what is mass, what's called mass. Then here it is given a definition: the actual quantity contained in a body is called mass. The net quantity in a body that it contained is called mass. Then the SI unit of mass is kilogram and denoted by a small m. It is denoted by a small m. Now overcome about the 1 kilogram. What is 1 kilogram? In the same way, it is defined as the mass of a cylinder made from the platinum iridium alloy at 0 degree centigrade kept at the server near the Paris. That is called 1 kilogram. Now, the second definition may be defined as, or when a force 1 Newton produced an accelerating 1 meter per second square in a body, then the mass of a body is called 1 kilogram. That's all. Now, overcome about the mass. Again, we have to discuss some other facts about the mass. Mass is measured by physical valence. There is no difference between mass whether it is measured in either Tarai or in hilly region. That's no difference. There is not any difference because both pan has 9.8 meter per second square value of G. This pan and this pan also. So there is not any difference. Then when a force of 1 Newton produced on a acceleration in 1 meter per second square for a body, then the mass of the body is called 1 kilogram. The mass which is lighter than 1 kilogram measured in gram and milligram, so on. We should know about the 1 kilogram is a standard unit. 1 kilogram or kilogram is a standard unit. But when the body which is less than 1 kilogram, that may be measured in gram or milligram. In the same way, as like length 10 milligram is equal to 1 centigram, 10 centigram is equal to 1 decigram, 10 decigram is equal to 1 decagram, 10 decagram is equal to 1 hectogram, 10 hectogram is equal to 1 kilogram, and 100 kilogram is equal to 1 quintal, and 10 quintal is equal to 1 metric ton or 1000 kg. That is the different scales of measurement or different values of measurement. Now overcome about the mass measuring device. Mass measuring device. The mass of a body is measured by a beam balance or physical balance. We have already discussed before. That is the physical balance. Now overcome about the measurement of time. Measurement of time. What is time? First of all, we have to know about what is time. The interval between any two events during a day or night or in a month to another month. That is called time. The period between two consecutive interval is simply called time. So time is measured in year, century, month, day, hours, minutes and seconds. But the standard measurement of time is called second. Its unit is second and denoted by S. That is the standard unit of time. Now overcome what is the main multiple and submultiples of time, because it is the standard unit of time. Second is standard unit of time, but there must be, we are using practically in our life, that is 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, 10 years, 100 years, etc. So the multiple of time, here we go. Solar day, mean solar day, 1 second, month, year, and hours, and last one is minute. Now overcome over what is solar day. Solar day may be defined as the total time taken by the earth to complete one rotation about its own axis. Rotation about its own axis is called solar day. It means when here let it is the sun, and here is an elliptical orbit in which the earth revolves around the sun. Then when earth moves after 24 hours, it reaches at the same point of next day. That is called one solar day. Now overcome about the mean solar day. Mean solar day may be defined as the average of varying solar day when the earth completed one revolution around the sun is called solar day. Likewise, hence one mean solar day is equal to 24 into 60, and again it is multiplied by 60. That means 86,400 seconds in a solar day. In 24 hours, the total second can be obtained 86,400 seconds. So according to this, 1 second is defined as the 1 by 86,400 th part of the mean day is called 1 second. Now overcome about the 1 month. 1 month means the time taken by the moon revolve one round the earth is called 1 month. So it can be written as 1 month is equal to 30 into 20 into 60 and again multiplied by 60. That means 30 days, which is converted into hours, which is converted into minute, and last it is second. Total after multiplying this, the result will be 259,200 seconds. It means 25,92,000 seconds. That is 1 month duration. When we measure a second, how many seconds there are in 1 month, then we should calculate like this. Now overcome about the year. The total time taken by the earth to revolve around the sun is known as year. So 1 year is equal to 350 days, and days is also divided into hour. Hour is multiplied by minute, and after that it is second. The total result, the 1 year, how many seconds in a 1 year, then it can be given as 3,15,36,000 seconds total lie in a year. This much for today, and if you like this, then subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you for watching.